Hiya, Tootsies. Me again. No, I don't wear this shirt every single day. I'm doing it all in one day. Hopefully you don't mind seeing me my Loud and United shirt. I know I'm looking very professional. And yes, if you're wondering, I'm just loading up on bracelets these days. I'm getting more and more and more. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about polygons. Okay, polygons are a category that shapes go into. So it's kind of like if you have an umbrella, different words can go into that umbrella. Let me give you an example. If we have the umbrella of Newton-Lee, under the umbrella of Newton-Lee would be students. You could have teachers, you could have administrators, you could have janitors. So all those things are different groups and they all have different names, third grade students, second grade students, but they all go under the umbrella that is Newton-Lee. Polygons are the umbrella of certain shapes. And there are some shapes that go under the umbrella of polygon. So someone asks you to draw a polygon, your polygon might be very different than mine, but they could both be a polygon. A polygon is not just one shape. Remember, it's a category of shapes. Now, there are some rules, however, to make sure a shape goes under the category of polygons. The first thing is they must be closed shapes. I will show you what that means, but basically that means the shape doesn't have a side that is open. They all are closed. They need to have at least 3 sides, which would make sense because you cannot make a shape with 2 sides. And the last rule is the lines must be straight. So in order for a shape to be a polygon, they must follow these 3 rules to go under the polygon umbrella. It must be a closed shape, at least 3 sides, and the lines must be straight. So I'm going to show you some examples of polygons and some examples of not polygons. Okay, so not polygons. So remember, on my polygon sides, they must have at least 3 sides, they must be closed, and the lines have got to be straight. Okay, so I'm going to do the simplest one I can think of, a triangle. Now, a triangle is a polygon because, let's check. Number 1, is it closed? Well, pretend like my drawings are better. Yes, it's closed. Number 2, does it have at least 3 sides? 1, 2, 3, yep. And number 3, does it have straight sides? Correct. Okay, now I'm going to show you a non-polygon. Is this a closed shape? Yes, it is. So it meets category 1. Category 2, does it have more than 2 sides? 3 sides? I can't really tell because it doesn't meet number 3. These sides are not straight. So this is not a polygon. Okay, I'm going to do another non-polygon. Now I want you to look at this shape. It's kind of like a swirly whirly. I want you to think in your head, why is this not a polygon? I can think of a few reasons. The first thing that's the most obvious to me is it is not a closed shape. These edges do not meet each other. So this shape is not closed. Also, they do not have 3 sides because I don't even think they have any sides because guess what? There are no straight lines. I'm going to draw another polygon this time. Kind of reminds me of a house. It's actually a polygon called a pentagon, which I'm sure you guys have heard of. It's a building in Washington, D.C., but it's called that because it has 5 sides. Let's double check. Is it closed? Yes. Number 2, does it have 3 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Number 3, are the lines straight? As straight as I could get them. Yes. So this is a polygon. So what I would like for you to do is you're going to be watching the brain pop on polygons, and then you're going to be doing some sorting. Just remember, polygons are not one single shape. All sorts of shapes fall under the umbrella of what a polygon is.